Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Polestar Grapevine and Grubbs Family Dealerships in Grapevine, Texas. And today, let's go for a drive in this 2024 Polestar 2 dual motor. So, I have a video on the Polestar 3 on my channel if you want to check that out. This is the first time I'm getting a video on the Polestar 2. So, this Polestar 2 basically has roughly 250 miles of range, as you see, and 92% over there. It has 421 horsepower and above 500 pound-feet of torque, which is pretty nice. You have the cloth interior in this one. You have the Google screen over there. Pretty easy to use. I mean, you have Google Maps, Apple CarPlay, everything you need in here. I don't think it has a no, it should, but yes. So it has, yeah, Google Maps, Apple CarPlay. Steering feel, let's put it in firm. One pedal drive. You can put the setting at off, low, or standard, and you have the creep function too, which I'll keep off. So you have all these assist features right there. You have a backup camera as well, 360 camera. I like that little Polestar logo in the shifter. That's a nice touch. Let's go for a quick walk around on this vehicle. So it's finished in a metallic white color. You have Michelin tires. Primacy all-season tires is what they are. Here's your rear seats. You have AC vents back there. If you'd like to shop the Polestar 2, check out the link to Polestar Grapevine and Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below. So yeah, 421 horsepower, 546 pound-feet of torque combined. Pretty nice. Now let's go for that drive. Oh, you have a cup holder right there and another one in there. So pretty small center console space because there's a cup holder in there. And my phone's in the wireless charging tray. The tray faces downward into the dash. So one pedal driving, you have to get used to that. I don't drive an electric vehicle personally, so I'm not all that used to it, but if you drive this one pretty often, you'll probably be pretty dependent on the one pedal drive after a while. Basically, you don't really need to hit the brakes, it'll brake for you. Like, you can just take your foot off the gas and then the car will brake. Will start braking, and it will also regenerate power. Wow, that's fast. This car is quite fast. I like the minimalistic route that Polestar goes with, right? In terms of having like the interior being pretty simple, not too over the top, and the exterior styling as well. Kind of like a Volvo and Polestar kind of vibe right there that they tried to embody. So yeah, the drive is pretty smooth. This doesn't have like any artificial electric noise or anything like that. Some electric vehicles do. It's kind of like Tesla with no artificial noise. But yeah, it's smooth. Steering is nice. Yeah, it's comfortable. You have heated seats in this vehicle too, no ventilated seats. See the turning radius here. Pretty nice. Smooth turning. Yeah, this car is extremely quick. Very, very fast. I mean, 421 horsepower is a pretty strong number, and it has over 500 pound-feet of torque. So you kind of expect that. And you have your blind spot indicators in the mirrors and that little strip on the side. Yeah, this car is definitely, you know, if you want an electric car that, you know, that has like a unique design, and you know, you want something that, you know, that you're not going to see every day, a Polestar is a great choice for you. Most people actually don't know what Polestar is, and they're unfamiliar with the design. So some people I know own the Polestar 2. They say they get stopped a lot by people asking what kind of car it is, and they're intrigued by it. When this car first came out, I drove it like 2 years ago or something like that, and then there's a lot of people on the road taking pictures. Obviously that was right when it came out, but either way, like, people don't, you know, really recognize that. So it's cool to have a car that you don't really see often. I like that. And yeah, I'm basically trying out this one pedal driving just to see what it would really be like in daily driving scenarios. Like, I'm taking my foot off, it'll decelerate. But when I'm coming to a stop, I'm, you know, using the brake because I don't want to just rely on that when I'm coming to a stop. But basically, you don't have to keep taking your foot on and off the brake. So yes, it's for daily driving and commuting, you know, it's nice to have that one pedal feature in traffic and stuff, so you don't have to keep on moving your foot all the time, and you'll have less, you know, you'll be less tired. So it's nice for that to be an option. But I really like this car. I think this is a great vehicle to drive every single day. And as far as Volvo, you know, Volvo, Polestar have really high safety ratings, so you can feel comfortable knowing that you're in a safe vehicle. Turn signal stock is, you know, what you would find in a Volvo. But I really like the Google Map integration, how you can see Google Maps right there. That's really, really helpful. I love when automakers put, you know, Google Maps right in your gauge cluster or built it into the infotainment. So yeah, I think it's nice how this has like the Google infotainment, you know. Can't really go wrong with that. That's a cool S63 AMG over there, wow. But yeah, so overall impressions on this Polestar. I really like it, you know. Personally, I would get one with the leather, just because the cloth seats, you know, they can get dirty pretty easily, and I just prefer leather. It's more comfortable to me. But it's a great car. It looks cool. It's eye-catching. It's quick. You got about, you know, you got decent range. You got good practicality, and it's easy to drive. So it's got a lot of good attributes to it. But anyways, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Dhruv Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships, and check out Polestar Grapevine if you want to shop for the Polestar 2 and other Polestar products. Thanks again.